Hello students, and welcome to my tutorial video series covering many of the aspects and online tools that are used at Portland Community College. I wanted to make a brief introduction video to give you some background on who I am and why I am making this tutorial series. My name is Jake. I am currently a senior at Portland State University. My major is health science, school health, and I'm planning on becoming a high school health and special education teacher. Graduating from Portland State requires a class that is called a senior capstone, and I am making this tutorial series as part of a volunteer project requirement for the capstone I'm taking. It's called Leadership and Educational Equity. I am in somewhat of a unique position because I am currently dual enrolled both at Portland State and Portland Community College, making it very convenient for me to share my expertise regarding the PCC website with you guys. Through this series, I am planning on highlighting what I believe to be some of the most important aspects of the Portland Community College website, including my PCC, registering for classes online, using different online tools like your school Gmail account, or accessing the library for scholarly articles and journals, or using the online classroom tool called Desire to Learn, or D2L. So buckle up and get ready to further your education at PCC. Just quickly before we move on, I wanted to mention that I am using Google Chrome as my web browser and a MacBook as my computer. If you use a different web browser, you will likely have a different experience. And I would highly recommend that you download and use Google Chrome if you don't already, because it is very tied into the Portland Community College website and the email, and using Google Chrome is going to make it a lot easier for you.